Hello, my name is Maria Barragán Mayor. I am 27 years old. I am from Neiva Huila, Boracay, Tesalia Huila, with my daddy. I am a C occupation health technologist and I am student industrial engineering at UNAD. In my free time, I student. My daddy in my feet, heavy sleeping. My favorite TV shows watching Colombian novels. In my favorite sport, high ice cycling. My mother is Sonia Mayor. She is 62 years old. She has wife. She is from Tesalia Huila. My mother is very nice. She is short for us the brown and she has light brown hair. My father is Moises Barragan. He is 55 years old. He is plant manager. He is from Líbano, Tolima. He is tall, from as the brown. My daughter is Taliana Bedoya. She is 7 years old. She is the student. She is from La Plata, Huila. From as the brown and she has black hair. Thank you.